Now, from your weather authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, our focus this week, of course, begins with the bitter cold air we have right now. And as that retreats, we got the chance for a little snow Thursday morning and then again Thursday night into early Friday. And then the bigger system will be on Saturday, and that's going to be more spring-like, threat for heavy rain and maybe some storms. And at this point, can't rule out severe weather, but it's still too early to tell with any certainty. But today, even though we didn't break any records, it is remarkably cold for this time of the year and one of the coldest days of the entire winter. Let's take a look at some of the numbers. We started at 8 degrees this morning, and that is the third coldest low we've had this season. The coldest was back on January 30th when we dipped to 1 above. The following morning, we hit 6 degrees, and so our 8-degree low today is third on the list. But what's even more impressive is the high of 21 this afternoon. That ties for the second coldest high this winter. The coldest one by far was the 30th of January. Our high was only 8 degrees. That following morning, or the following afternoon, I should say, we hit a high of 21, the same that we did this afternoon. Of course, that's back in January when you expect the potential for that kind of cold. You really don't expect this in early March, especially without any significant snow on the ground. Normally when it gets this cold, especially during the daytime, you have snowpack that's really preventing things from heating up, and that's really not the case. What little snow we saw, a lot of that melted away. Upper teens to lower 20s across the area for highs this afternoon. We'll be about 10 degrees warmer tomorrow, but still well below the average for this time of the year. But at least nothing's falling from the sky, and that'll be the case until Thursday morning when that chance for a little snow returns. Here's a live view from downtown Evansville. Our King Sky came off the top of Fifth Third Bank. There's a beacon out at Evansville Regional. Off to the northeast on a frigid night. Temperatures are already falling through the teens. We're at 15 right now. Winds at least have gone calm, so that helps out. And you can see temperatures throughout the area are in the teens. Flora, Illinois, though, is already 9 degrees, 17 Henderson, 18 Owensboro. You factor in what wind is out there, and in some cases it does feel significantly colder. A wind chill of 4 in Jasper, 8 in Owensboro, and 11 in Henderson. But tonight won't be quite as cold as last night, as we should keep it at least in double digits in most of the area. A few high clouds moving across western Kentucky right now will be clearing on out. And then we got a dry, weak front coming in from the north late tomorrow, that after a warm-up tomorrow afternoon, we'll just kind of hold that warm up in check for a day, and then it kicks into gear again on Thursday. So Future Tracker keeps us mainly clear overnight, and then increasing clouds tomorrow. And though not as cold, it'll be windy and still well below normal, upper 20s to around 30 for the high. And then we clear out tomorrow night, back into the teens by daybreak on Wednesday, which will be another good-looking day, mostly sunny skies. Not as windy, but still really cold, highs in the low 30s. So we'll make a run at the melting point on Wednesday afternoon. And Thursday night, warm front setting up to our south with increasing clouds. And on Thursday morning, a band of snow is going to come in from the northwest. The latest guidance, though, is taking this band farther to the north. So if we have any issues Thursday morning, it will most likely be across the northern fringe of the tri-state. And even up there, it comes to an end. Might see a little sun. Temperatures top 40. We see some scattered rain later in the day that could begin to mix with some snow again Thursday night before ending early on Friday. And you can see in our Future Tracker model all the significant snow with this system so far for Thursday is staying mainly up to the north of the tri-state. So overnight, mainly clear, frigid low of 10 to 15. Increasing clouds tomorrow, not as cold, but still windy and well below normal. Upper 20s to around 30. Mostly sunny Wednesday, 34. Then we see that light snow mainly in our northern counties Thursday morning. Then some scattered rain coming back in, mixing with some snow Thursday night, ending early Friday. So the 45% chance Friday is early in the day. The rest of the day, we're left with mostly cloudy skies, 47. A little sun Saturday morning, giving way to increasing clouds. It turns windy, much warmer, 59, with rain and maybe even a few storms developing. And still too early to tell a severe weather threat will be a threat. But all that will be ending Saturday night, early Sunday. So right now, Sunday looks like the better of the 2 weekend days.